The Amaztim GPS smartwatch for men is the perfect choice for tech enthusiasts who value advanced technology and premium durability. Featuring an integrated GPS satellite navigation system, this watch supports 6 satellites and dual-band military standards, enabling rapid positioning within 8 to 45 seconds, twice as fast as regular smartwatches. The body is made from military-grade MIL STD 810H stainless steel, paired with a Corning Gorilla screen with Mohs hardness up to 9H, ensuring excellent impact resistance and durability against harsh conditions. With 5 ATM water resistance, the watch can be submerged up to 50 meters, perfect for swimming or diving activities. Moreover, with a high-capacity 480 mAh battery using AI power-saving technology, the watch can extend its usage time up to 60 days in power-saving mode. The Amaztim GPS also features a large 1.43-inch AMOLED display with 100% RGB color gamut and brightness up to 1000 nit, providing a clear, vivid viewing experience. The always-on mode allows you to check the time without turning on the screen. Additionally, the watch supports Bluetooth calling and AI voice assistant, allowing you to make calls, play music, check the weather, and more with just your voice. The Amaztim GPS also helps you monitor your health, with real-time heart rate, sleep, and blood oxygen tracking, along with support for 170 workout modes. With social media notifications, message reading, music control, and over 500 elegant watch faces, the Amaztim GPS smartwatch is the perfect product for a modern and dynamic lifestyle. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support my channel. For more product details, check the link in the description below.